Hi everyone, my name is Chioma and I'm part of CHIMU Fashion and we are participating in the Detroit Is Your Couture Fashion Competition. They sent us a swatch box. We are super excited to see what's in the box and we're super excited to see the fabrics that have been randomly given to us. So let's open up this box. First of all, I love this pink paper that they use for the packaging. So I'm going to open that up. Let's see some of these fabrics. So this is the poster for the competition, and let's see what we have. This is a very pretty embellishment. Just look how it sparkles. So this was a very silky fabric. It felt very nice and luxurious. I gave it a little tug to see how far it would stretch. Didn't have too much stretch, which was pretty good. So I did not know what this fabric was, but I loved it. It was very nice and textured as well. I really liked this flowy fabric too. Like I liked how the flowers are kind of like embroidered on the bottom, and I already had ideas on what I was going to do with this. They also gave us a piece of thread, which I thought was pretty interesting, but we used it in our design. And then lastly, they gave us a piece of a skirt pattern, which was really nice of them because it will help you draft up the design of your gown, or it can help you with that. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, these are the items in our swatch box. We were super excited for the competition and I hope you guys wish us luck.